Our ability to travel faster across the world has consistently been the catalyst for change. This effect can be seen right back to the domestication of the horse. It allows civilization to expand and spread information and resources faster than ever. So where is the net great innovation in commercial travel? The fastest civil vehicle, the Concorde, had a top speed of Mach 2, but it needed to fly at 18,000 meters. If you lower the drag and the heat generated from aerodynamic friction would be limit its top speed. Consider this, the outside temperature at the altitude is minus 57 degrees Celsius, yet the nose of the Concorde could reach 127 degrees. Naturally, if we want to move faster closer to the Earth's surface, we need a way to limit the friction our vehicle experience. This is actually what the Hyperloop aimed to do. So how did it work? The pressure inside the Hyperloop tube would be lower to the fraction of the normal atmospheric pressures, to minimize the friction the vehicle will experience due to air, but even having small amounts of air in the tube can cause some serious issues. Due to something called control limits at low speeds, there is enough space between the pod and the tube for air to get by. But the speed increases, this reaches a limit, and the pod begins to push large volume of air ahead of it. This limits the speed immensely. We can fit it by installing compressor fan on the front of the pod. That removes the air from the front and redirect it to the back for additional thrust, or it can be used levitating the pod on the cushion of air. To help make this idea a reality, a competition sponsored by SpaceX was created. One team called Outlook from Reddit has recently started their crowdfunding campaign to build their prototype. The prototype model has target speed of 418 km per hour. At this speed, there is no counter is choking, so their design does not need a compressor fan. Most teams have opted to forgo the compressor fan as a short test track prohibits high-speed run. Outlook have moved away the Elon Musk's original idea of levitating the pod using an air cushion. Their calculations show that it would be difficult to achieve accurate lift with this method. They have instead opted to use 8 air-packed magnetic levitation engines. They will be competing against 29 other teams, most of whom are backed by university funding. They rely on the support community like Reddit. If you would like to support their project, I provide a link on description. With your assistance, their work may help assuring a new era of transportation.